That's better. Before I start off, the elephant in the room, this thing right here, absolutely shameful, dude. Like, what is this? Like, how does it even end up in the middle? Like if I got like a measuring instrument, right, like a scale, and if I measured it, this is right in the middle. Like, you can't get as accurate as this thing here, and it's annoying. It hurts, dude. But like, anyways, I'm back. This has become a recurring thing where I come up, shoot a few videos, and then go away. It's just that I've been busy, right? So for people who know me and for people who don't know me, I'm an A-level student, right? So when I'm not traveling, I'm studying, and when you're studying, you can't do anything else. It's basically it's pretty miserable. So because of the fact that I was studying like a maniac until now, I couldn't do anything because I couldn't even travel, right? What is the future holding for us? Before I get into that, what is NH, right? What is Nomad on a helipad? Why did I start this off? So, well, in its inception, what it was basically that I would travel and I would shoot stuff. Well, you can't travel now, can you? So for if you weren't like living under a rock, you probably know that coronavirus, the pandemic, has absolutely screwed us over, and we can't get out of our houses. Yep, we can't go anywhere. Why am I back? I'm back because I've been bored, dude. I need to do something, so I'm gonna do this. No, I'm not a musician. I'm a student. Anyways, so yeah, I don't know, dude. Every day I'm just gonna take out this camera and think of something to do, and if I like it, I'll upload it. If I don't like it, I won't. It's just that at times like these, it's very important for me to do something, to engage myself in something, or else I'll go mad, dude. I'll go mad, and it's very important to do something like that. I used to upload traveling videos, right? I can't travel now, so what do, right? I have a few things in mind. I'm gonna work on those, but if you have any suggestions, you can. I'd love to hear those. But other than that, yeah, dude, like it's just that with the whole coronavirus situation, it's really sad, dude. It's it's sad. It's 110% sad. It's it's like it makes you miserable. It's killing thousands and hundreds and thousands of people in the world. It's causing poverty. It's causing people to die. And if you think about it, a lot of people aren't dying because of coronavirus, but they're dying because they can't work and they can't eat food. So the best we could do is stay at our home, and hopefully with these videos, you could just watch them and get entertained, and I could make them and get entertained because I like making videos, right? The whole because the whole reason why I started off with Nomad on a helipad was that I liked filming and traveling, so I used to watch them together. And the whole editing part, I just love it, dude. I just get a lot of satisfaction from it. And I was watching a few videos just a few days before, of like a year and a half back, and they were nice, dude. I really enjoyed doing this, and I missed it. So I thought, why not come back? What's the worst that could happen? Yeah, I'm gonna try to do the best I can not to become a YouTuber, because I'm not, right. I'm not the type of person who will upload. Oh yeah, I'm uploading my video on Tuesday and Thursdays, and like and subscribe, because I am not that. I don't do this for that reason. I just do it because I like doing it. I like the whole shooting and filming and photographing and editing and stuff like that. I need to stop fidgeting with this thing. But yeah, so that's basically it, right? And some of you may be asking, are you here for long, dude? I never am. I never am here for long. It's just that it depends on what's happening in the world. It's what's happening with my life, and what will happen in the future. So everything depends on that, dude. Like, I just hope everything goes well. And speaking of the whole situation thing, it's just that with Corona, you need to be optimistic, right? If you're not, you're gonna like just fall into a hole and die. With the whole Corona situation, it's just that when you're stuck at home, you have time to appreciate the small stuff. I was gonna say chotu. Small stuff such as like like for me, right? You appreciate family, you appreciate friends, you know, you start to appreciate the small things, stuff like, you know, hey dude, like look, even what I'm doing right now, right? I appreciate that I have the ability and the resources to just film something and upload it into the internet, right? I could just, you know, take out my phone and just call someone, ask how they are. I can just get out of my room and just talk to family, talk to people. But it's sad that it's coming at such a large price. It's coming at such a huge price. But it is what it is, man. We just gotta live through it. We just gotta stay at home and hopefully hope for the best and everything gets fixed ASAP. That's basically it for me. Stay here and keep, you know, stay tuned for more videos. Let's see what happens. I have a few stuff planned, you know. Let's see what's up, what's going on with that. This is just a short video just to, you know, telling you people that I'm back again. Dude, like after a few years, I'm pretty sure like the number of I'm back videos will just cross 1,000. Dude, like it's getting pretty ridiculous now. We need to stop, but let's see, dude. Consistency is key. All right, let's do this shit. Let's go. Come on, you know, big up, man. Why did I throw you that?